In this video, I'll show you how to make rules for your Discord server. So all you have to do is launch the Discord application and sign into your account, and then find your Discord server that you'd like to add rules for. So find it and click on it, and then click on the Discord name, or rather the Discord server name. And then from the options that appear, simply select server test settings. Now within the server settings, scroll down and find this option, access, and then you should see the server rules option. So ensure that this option is enabled. So simply toggle it off or on, sorry, and you should see this rules section appear. Now you can write as a custom rule if you'd like by simply clicking on enter a rule and type in what you want, or you can simply choose from the available templates. So there are 4 of them, so you can simply select one and you should see what it's all about. You can simply select another one to add it. You can simply select another one to add it and all that. If you want a custom, simply select add a rule and type in what you want to say. So you can say be nice. And then if you want to add another one, simply click on add a rule and then type in no cursing and everything. And then once you're done, simply click on save changes. But if you like to see how the rules will look like, all you have to do is simply click on this option, preview, and then this will launch this particular menu, and then you should see what the rules are all about. So before someone can talk within the Discord server, they have to verify their email and then have to agree to the rules. Once they have read the rules, all they have to do is simply click on I have read and agree to the rules and click on submit, and they can now begin talking to the server. Now, once you've done everything, all you have to do is save the changes by clicking on this button, save changes. And there you go. So you have successfully added the rules to your Discord server. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.